Hi there. Today, we will learn the phrasal verb edge something out. Edge something out means to slowly push someone or something out by a small margin. It's often used in competitions or business. For example, if a company beats another by a little, we say it edged them out. You can say they edged out their competitors. Edge is the verb and out is the particle. You can put the object between them or after out. For example, they edged the rivals out or they edged out the rivals. This phrase shows a close win, not a big or easy one. It's perfect to describe tight races or tough competitions. Be careful not to use it for quick or forceful wins. Edge out is different from push out, which means to force someone out. Try using it in sentences like, she edged out the other candidates, or our team edged out the competition in the final seconds. Now practice with your own examples. Remember, edge something out adds a nice detail about a narrow win. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.